grade 6th B is going to conduct today's morning assembly. Theme of our morning assembly is Importance of Education. Faith and prayer are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. With this, I request to join your hands and close your eyes. So get ready for prayer.
Good morning everyone. I am Naini Matpal from class 6B. I am here to sing Hindi prayer in today's morning assembly. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाएं हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। थैंक यू।
Vision is the mission of the school. So for vision, here comes Vedant.
Good morning. Vision of the school is to inculcate moral and ethical values among students apart from academic excellence and all around qualitative developments with practical knowledge, deep-rooted value system by providing modern contemporary education to serve a large cause of society and the nation. Thank you.
Pledge is known to fulfill our duties towards our nation. So for pledge, here comes Karan Kafaltia.
Good morning all of you. My name is Karan Kafaltia and I study in class 6th B. Today I am here to take pledge. So pledge begin. India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind and have a nice day.
When there are no words to say, but know that I am always for you. So for 2 new words, here comes Ankit Singh Bania.
Morning all, my name is Ankit Singh Bania. I am studying grade 6th B. Today's new words are crinkled, means to have many lines or wrinkles. Sentence: the servant of rain and oil make her nose crinkled after so long in condo. My second new word is nonchalantly, means not showing much interest. Sentence: so when you are speaking nonchalantly, make sure your body backs it up to. Thank you.
One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. So for thought, here comes
Riddhi
Good morning. Today's thought is education makes people easy to lead but difficult to drive. Easy to govern but impossible to enslave. Thank you.
For a good and positive speech, here comes Anshika Pariyar.
Importance of education. Good morning to the excellencies, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I would like to speak over the importance of education. Proper and good education is very important for all of us. It is a process of achieving knowledge, value, skills, beliefs and moral habit. Education is very necessary for each and everyone in order to improve knowledge, way of living, as well as social and economic status throughout the life. Education is very important in our life as it transforms us completely from inside and outside by changing our mind and personality as well as improving our confidence level. At last, I would like to end up my speech by this beautiful thought. Education is the key that unlock the golden doors to freedom. Thank you and have a nice day and be safe in your home.
Poems that describe nature for its best. So for English poem, here comes Gunjan Aswal.
Friends and teachers, today Gunjan Aswal of class 6B is going to recite a poem on education. For others, it's privilege. For others, it's right. The difference between darkness and a future that is bright. Some will think a burden, where others will see a gift. The key for moving forward and to give your life a lift. The school is not calling you. Look beyond at its door. The world can be a teacher. Many adventures are in store. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Now, I would like to call our class teacher Miss Kritika Joshi ma'am for telling about our theme, importance of education.
Sir Vidya Ya Vimukte. Education is that which uplifts the soul. A lovely morning to all of you, pondering over this great thought on our school logo. I, Kirtika Joshi, class teacher, grade 6B, is here to speak on importance of education. Education helps us to provide knowledge and develop logical attitude and enhances the capabilities of an individual. A country with educated citizens will always have people with logical thinking and views. Education helps in promoting mental health. It helps in the physical, social, mental, and spiritual development of an individual. It helps in eradicating poverty and bringing equality in the society. Education is a way of giving intellectual channeling to the decision making of children and preparing them for future. Most importantly, education not only liberates us to find ourselves, but at the same time, it also binds us to the mankind. At last, I would like to say, Nahi Gyanen Sadasham Pavitramihi Vidyate, which means nothing is more sacred than education. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am, for telling more about our theme. Now, let us devote 52 seconds in honor of our nation. So, for national anthem, here comes Naitik Misra.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नावे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
If we want to reach real peace in this world, so we should start educating. Thank you, all of you. Have a marvelous day ahead.